Okay, here are 5 interesting facts about cats. To begin this list, humans have 206 bones, but cats on average have 244. Makes me wonder where are those extra bones? Also, adult cats have 30 teeth while kittens have 26. I mean, that makes sense. Kind of. Anyway, a house cat is genetically 95.6% tiger. That's not concerning. Cats can also run around 48 kilometers an hour or 30 miles per hour, but only over short distances. And for the final one, cats can jump 5 times their height. Subscribe.